What's up, guys? You watch another video? Come on, G. Kevin just picked me up. We're in the M4 GTS today because, again, if you guys watched the last video, I am completely carless. Again, if you guys didn't see, we dropped off my GTR at my boy Roman's shop, Precision Auto Body. I dropped it off here because we're gonna re-clear coat the carbon lip, the carbon side skirts, the carbon trunk, the carbon diffuser, and even the little side vents. So everything carbon fiber on the car is getting re-clear coated, as well as we're taking the headlight to my other boy to fix the headlight because the headlight had like condensation in it. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, dude. This thing looks abandoned. What the heck? The car looked so good yesterday and now look at it. Bro, it looks like it's getting parted out or stolen. No side skirts, no trunk. Oh my God, dude. This looks horrible. We're gonna re-clear coat everything, guys. So all the carbon's gonna look brand new. I know right now it doesn't look like much. I know it looks like a freaking junkyard GTR salvage, but I promise it's gonna look clean when it's all done. All right, we just picked up the headlight. We're gonna take this to my boy's shop. It actually looks better, bro. Roman said he had it just sitting in the sun like this, and it actually did dry up a lot of the water, but it's definitely not fixed because I'm scared that once I wash the car again, it'll get condensation again. So might as well just do it right. We're gonna take it to my boy. He's gonna open it up, dry it up, clean him up, and then seal it perfectly again. So we'll go do it probably tomorrow or tonight. But for now, we got a really dope vlog, and I'm super freaking excited. What's up, G?
What's up?
You see my car?
Yeah.
Bro, it looks hilarious. Looks salvage.
Salvage. It is salvage.
Nah, G. Yeah, we'll be back here, I think Thursday in a couple days to pick up my GTR. All the clear coat will be done. By then, the headlight will be done too. I'll bring it to him so he can put it on. Then we're gonna go drop it off to get the wheels powder coated. Long process, but the car's gonna look so good when it's fully complete, guys. For now, look what we're about to go do. You guys might have an idea. We're gonna be doing a ride along with some Formula drift drivers, guys. We did this last year and it was so freaking sick. It was probably like one of the craziest experiences ever. Look at the cop, G. Motorcycle cop.
Trying to up shit.
Go to 8th gear, G. Bro. So yeah, we're gonna head to Long Beach, guys. This weekend is Formula Drift Long Beach. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to go to actual events because we're going to Hawaii, G. Rich. Formula Drift is this weekend, and a couple days before the event, they have like a media day where like a bunch of YouTubers go and like other media people, photographers, videographers. They get to go to the track when nobody is there, no crowd, and then they do ride-alongs and like you can get up close to the freaking drift cars. It's a really cool experience and we're gonna go do that today. I'm excited. These cars are insane, bro. Formula drift cars are probably the sickest cars ever, I swear. I look like them better than supercars, G. Oh no.
Bro.
Motorcycle cops everywhere. Bro, motorcycle cops are the worst cops ever, I'm sorry. Like, they're assholes. They're not gonna get off their bike and not give you a ticket. They're not gonna let you go with a warning. They're for sure gonna give you a ticket if they have to get off their bike. But like I was saying, I actually like Formula Drift cars better than supercars, I think, G. Like the real Formula Drift cars today. You'll see. Have you ever seen them?
It's my first time.
No way, bro.
Yeah.
Kevin's first time at any Formula Drift event?
Yeah.
Bro, and this one we can get up close.
That's gonna be sick.
Like you could be like, you can touch the car, guys. You can get your arm ripped off. That's how close they get. Anyways, that's why I have the helmet, guys, because we're gonna go for a ride along in one of the cars. I think Adam Alzi's gonna be there. I'm gonna see if I can get in the car with him. That'll be freaking sick.
Nick, you won't believe it. Look at the left.
But, oh my God, dude.
Oh my, he's getting on his bike.
Oh my God.
Bro, what the?
Guys, that was 3 bike cops in a matter of 1 minute. All right, guys, we made it. Got the M4 parked right there, and we are in Long Beach. Bro, Long Beach is actually super nice. This is probably my favorite Formula Drift track, guys, because it's on the streets of Long Beach. This is actually a street, and they shut it down, and they make it a full racetrack. It's crazy. It's called the streets of Long Beach. Get ready to see a bunch of drifting. As you guys know, I love drifting. And these cars are ridiculous. All the cars are like over 1,000 horsepower. They sound insane, and they're drifting at like 100 miles per hour all day. It's insane, guys.
But crazy.
But do you see the cars? Also, this is Kevin's first time seeing a Formula Drift car. Man, look at that thing, a wagon. E46. That shit has a diesel engine. Bro, I cannot wait, guys. I don't know what car we're gonna go in, but I'm gonna try to go in Adam Alzi's E36. It'll be so sick. I love drift cars, guys. All right, guys, we got front row now. Look at this. This is gonna be insane, bro. Just even see some of the tire marks. Like, like right there. We're gonna be filled with tire. Look at this. I remember last time I had rubber all over me. Oh, they're so loud, watch. And fast, dude. So loud, bro.
How can I bring my car in here?
Imagine the GTS. You see what I mean? God, that one was really loud, bro. Oh, that was James Dean. Sick ass driver, bro. Well, they're so close to you. They're like this close to your arms.
I close my eyes, bro.
Don't get your arms ripped off. That thing sounds insane. That one was close. But you know Sam built that motor?
Oh, he did?
Yeah, that same car. Bro, I want to see your angle, G. God damn. See how you close your eyes?
No way.
It was an M4.
No way.
I swear. Dean Carnage in the Viper. How baller is that? Drifting a freaking Viper, guys. I thought you were gonna take out my arm, bro. I swear I got scared. S15 is for sure the loudest car here. What the? Little F1 cars, G. It's orange too.
Where's the other one?
Bro, that shit will be fun to drive.
Let's see.
Would you rather drive that or the drift car?
I didn't drive that one, for sure.
Those are sick. To drift a Viper? Damn, that must be insane. Holy crap. So crazy, bro. And the Z, I believe this thing has a GTR motor in it. Same motor as my R35 GTR. God damn, that thing is nice. What the heck? Look at this thing. It's a fully raced out G80. What? Bro, that thing is sick. All right, before we go for drifting, let's check out some of the cars up close and personal. Look at this thing. I think this is the same thing. GTR motor, look at that. It looks exactly like my car. Not exactly, a little wild, but it's literally an R35 motor with 2 turbos. Holy crap, that's sick. All right, I'm down to go in this thing too. Got Adam Z over here warming up the car. My boy's rocking TE37s on the drift car. What a baller, bro. So nice. That's so sick. Just crazy to see TE37s on a freaking race car. Check out this camera car, guys. Wow, look at the setup on it. Holy crap. They got all the cameras on it. Guys, you ready? I'm excited. All right, guys, we're about to go with James Dean instead. How's he as a passenger, so this will be fun though. Ooh.
The transition is earlier than
No,
normal.
it's okay.
So if you get to the wall a little
hard
bit
to see
later,
without
it makes
me.
that snap faster under the bridge too.
I'm sure you guys know who James Dean is. Probably the best, not probably, he is the best Formula Drift driver in my opinion. Look at this, right-hand drive Mustang. They made it specifically for him. He also has an E92 that's Tiffany blue, guys. It's insane. I've literally been following him forever. This is honestly insane. This is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, bro. Look at the room. There's no room in here. We got the nitrous bottle. We got the big old e-brake, the shift knob. Dude, my favorite car of yours is the E92.
Sick.
I love it, bro. Bro, that was insane. I'm gonna see if I can go again. Guys, that was insane. Oh my, it happened so fast, but it's just like, I'm trying to take it in as well as film it for you guys, but it's just crazy. All right, guys. This was sick. Let's do some power game. Thank you. Literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We got to ride in 2 Formula Drift drivers, James Dean, and then we rode in Forsberg's 400Z. That's the new Z with the GTR motor in it. It sounded crazy. Bro, we were so close to the other car. It is so crazy. Like, I can't imagine doing that, like actually being a driver, bro. Like, that is a dream job, and dude, you gotta give respect to them. They are insane drivers, bro. The whole city of Long Beach could for sure hear this. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, guys. Shout out to Formula Drift. Shout out to, I believe his name's Jonathan. He's the guy that hooked me up with these tickets. Trying to get this content for you guys. Always, bro. I'm always trying to get the good content for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We didn't get to go with Adam LZ. I really wanted to, guys, but everybody wants to go with Adam LZ. He was telling me, he's like, we can wait if you want, but he's telling me sometimes people wait for like a specific driver and then they don't get to go at all. So I was like, you know what? Put me in any car, bro. I just want to go as many times as I can. Before we leave, I gotta show you the M2. You guys remember this one? I showed it at 412 when it was there, but Scott Disick's M2, bro. That's crazy, y'all. That thing is insane. Okay, see? That M2 looks nice. I know I always say that I'm not a big fan of the new M2s, but that was nice. The E92 over here. Clean. It's a Lotus, bro. We thought it was a Ferrari.
It looks like a Ferrari.
That shit does look crazy. Damn, rich. I'm on my first date, guys. I'm kind of nervous. First date, kind of nervous?
Just be careful, sweetheart.
I'm gonna ask my dad. Maybe my dad put this up there.
Wow, dude. As we're eating, but I went on Instagram. Dude, this is James Dean's car. The one I drove in. And look, someone's recording. Someone right here is also on media day. Look at this. Bro, the car caught fire, Kevin. What if I was in there, bro? Holy crap, dude. I would have literally thought I was gonna die. Bro, the video would have went viral. The video would have went viral, bro. Look, you can see there's someone in the passenger seat. Dude, what if I was in there? That's literally the car I was in. Bro, I would have been tripping. Kevin, I'm not gonna say I wish I was in there, but the video would have went viral. Bro, the video would have went crazy, bro. It's crazy is in my head, I was thinking like, what if like something bad happens, like a car accident like that? Guys, look, one last time, look at the fire. Oh my God, bro, the passenger really did almost get burned. Thankfully they got out, but holy crap. I can't believe that. Look at that, bro. He was stuck, look at his head. Dude. Guys, we were in that car not even 5 minutes ago. That's crazy. Poor Mustang, bro. Kevin, that would have been insane to be in there. I don't think I would have got out as fast as the other guy, though. Like, you're really cramped. Also, you can't see anything with the big helmet. I can't even see, like, the buckle, you know, like to unbuckle it. They have to buckle it for you, as you guys saw. They buckled me in and everything like that, so... Bro, if someone doesn't know how to work that belt buckle, like, bro, you can get stuck in there.
With pink interior.
That's your dream car.
Dream car for my dream girl. Out in Beverly Hills, we're gonna meet up with the homie Joseph from 412. Why are you copying me, bro? And we're gonna be photo shooting this XM.
We just met up with Joseph from 412. You can see the little 412 play right there.
Hi.
For real?
What's up?
Bro, I drove in James Dean's car right now.
No way.
And it caught fire.
Was he driving though?
Yeah, he was driving. No,
caught
but
on fire?
it didn't catch on fire when I drove, but bro, look at this shit.
Oh my God.
Bro, look how fast it caught.
The nitrous right here.
Look how fast it starts going, watch. The guy barely gets out. Bro, imagine that happened when I was in there. Dude.
That's crazy.
Oh, this thing is sick. God damn, look at the wheels. Rich. The new XMs. Did you guys hear it start up? It's all electric. Damn. Thing is nice. All black. It's electric?
I think it's both.
Hybrid, whatever?
Hybrid.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.